This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Megan Donahue, and with me today is attorney Chris Vonderau from the law offices of Chris Vonderau. Chris, thanks for being here.
Hi Megan, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Good.
Let's talk about criminal defense.
Sure.
I have some questions from our viewers. One viewer asks, if I'm convicted of a DWI as a first-time offender, what am I facing?
Well, in this state, DWI sentences can range vastly depending on the circumstances underlying your conviction. It can range anywhere from what's known as aggravated level 1, which could have a fine of $10,000 and up to 3 years in jail, down to a level 5, which is the least punitive level, and it requires 24 hours in jail or 24 hours community service, your choice, and a fine of up to $200. So you can see the sentencing ranges, or the range can be pretty vast depending on the underlying circumstances.
Okay, I did not know that.
Yeah.
Another viewer asks, if I'm stopped and suspected of driving while impaired, what are my rights?
That's a great question, and I wish a lot of people knew this before they, hopefully you're never in this situation, but if you are, it's good to know. You're obligated to provide your driver's license and your registration to the arresting officer. You are not obligated to answer any questions. You're not obligated to do any field sobriety tests. So for example, typically when an officer pulls somebody over and he suspects driving while impaired, he'll ask, where were you going, where are you headed, what are you doing? And the bottom line is you're not obligated to answer those questions, and you're only building the state's case against you.
Okay, it's good to know my rights. For more information, go to chrislegal.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.